Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the triage form in an emergency room setting. Reduce delays in treatment by quickly and efficiently assessing patients' conditions using the triage form. The triage form conveniently categorizes patients into the various available priority levels by using macros or by automatically calculating the patient's TU score when the vitals are measured. This ensures that patients with the most critical needs receive prompt care while efficiently managing available resources. Now we will go over how to access the triage form from the diary screen, which has been set up specifically for emergency room use. A new patient will start off as not triaged. Click on the non-triaged patient to open the diary sidebar. Click on the clinical button to open the clinical case screen. The triage form will automatically open because of the booking type it has been linked to. For more information on how to link clinical forms to specific booking types, please refer to the Linking Clinical Forms to Diary Entry user manual linked in this video's description. A list of modifiers is available for initial, quick assessment. A modifier allows the medical staff to pre-select a patient's current medical state before any vitals have been taken, which will allocate the relevant triage color to that patient. Click on the desired modifier from the drop-down, then click on the Add button. The patient's triage status will automatically change to the linked color. Please note that if multiple modifiers have been chosen, then the color indicator for the highest severity condition will display. In order to remove any of the selected modifiers, simply click on the Remove button. Alternative to the modifiers, a vital section is available that calculates the patient's conditions according to TUs, otherwise known as the Trigger Early Warning Score. As the relevant vitals are completed, the system automatically calculates the score and adds the patient to the corresponding triage color. You are also able to override the system and click on the desired triage color if necessary. Once you have completed your assessment, complete the form and click on Save and Close. Your patient will now show on the diary screen as triaged and will be displayed with the relevant triage color.